Hello guys, we're back with another video. So in this video we'll use some magnets and do some fun stuff like when the magnets are placed here. See, you can see the LED switched on. When it's taken away, it's off. Again on, off. So this device or this switch is called reed switch. It's given term as KY-025 in our sensors switches. I mean in our sensors. So what actually happened in this switch? Nothing but there are two ferromagnetic materials placed like this inside the switch. So when this external magnetic field is provided to it, they get some kind of excitation or something, so that the field completely flows through this like this, so that the switch activates and electricity passes through this LED and it gets turned on. That's pretty much about the reed switch. So what are its applications? There are many industrial level applications and also in biomedical processes also it has many applications, like inside a body some devices are implanted, right, for those who use reed switches, etc. And also this has high advantages when compared with Hall effect sensors. So they can work with various voltages, various temperatures, etc. But when coming to Hall effect sensors, they won't be working like that. So coming to the basic code, it's nothing, just an LED code. It has both digital and analog pins and one LED, and that we have written that when this is activated it will glow. That's it. It's basic Arduino code. And coming to connections and all, it has 4 pins, one digital, one analog, one ground, and one VCC, ground to ground, VCC to VCC, and A0 to this analog pin, and digital pin to any digital pins. And so this is an LED which for safety factor we have a resistor to it, and that's connected to one digital pin and one ground. That's it. Thank you guys.